Hello everyone, welcome back to Napu channel. Today I'm going to introduce to you a new product in our Agarwood Pendant collection. That is the Vietnamese natural and Agarwood Avalokiteśvara Bodhisattva pendants. Let's find out what's interesting about it. First, let's talk about the material used to create these pendants. That is Vietnamese natural and Agarwood, a high-class Agarwood with much firmer structure than the other common types. And Agarwood, also known as nest Agarwood, is a rare and highly prized type of Agarwood that is produced when a specific type of ant, the feather ant, burrows into the wood of the Agarwood tree. This burrowing activity causes the tree to produce a resinous substance, or Agarwood, as a defense mechanism, resulting in the unique and highly sought-after aroma. The difference with the previous designs we introduced is the unique style of each product, when each model is created based on natural form of the Agarwood block. From there, each pattern is a unique product. No model is the same from the shape to the wood color and the oil grain. Only the image of Avalokiteśvara Bodhisattva is the same. However, depending on the shape of the Agarwood block, the image of Buddha will be crafted to be the best suit. When looking closely at the patterns, we can easily observe the extremely high-quality shaped oil veins with the characteristic of high essential oil contents. This Agarwood possesses a very good long-lasting aroma with a pleasant sweet aftertaste, helping the wearer feel relaxed, relieve stress, and feel more peaceful. The image of Avalokiteśvara Bodhisattva inherently has a very profound and important meaning in culture and belief of its essence. Avalokiteśvara Bodhisattva is considered a symbol of compassion, salvation, and protection for living beings from suffering, with a gentle and graceful image, often appearing with a vase of nectar and willow branch. Avalokiteśvara Bodhisattva conveys a message of love, peace, and ability to overcome difficulties, encourage people to live compassionately, to love and share with everyone around them. So it can be seen that it is not only an unique piece of jewelry, it also contains extremely meaningful spiritual value. Thanks to the sturdy structure, even though the size is not too large, these patterns still give me a feeling of solidity and the high quality of the material. Here, we do not produce holes, it will depend on the customer request to wear it plain or covered with a golden veil on top. When choosing gold wrap version, depending on your budget and preferences, you can choose 10K, 14K or 18K gold. Our consulting team will help you come up with the most suitable manufacturing plan. And that's all about our new Agarwood pattern. For those of you who are interested in this product, don't hesitate to contact us via our website or WhatsApp phone number below for the most specific advice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.